Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Wadekar. I am Lead Tech Support Analyst here at BMC Software. I'm going to show you how to create custom action in Smart IT. You can refer online documentation from which I followed the steps for this video tutorial. I log into Smart IT as you can see in my screen. I'm going to the configuration section and within incident view I would like to define some action, the provider action. So I'm just going to go and say add remove action, provider action. So basically you can see in provider action I selected action type as provider action. I would like to see it should be executed from desktop as well as mobile, and here is my action ID action 1, and then the label that I put it as upload server logs. So basically what this does I'll show you in a minute. So in order to get that action to take place, I created a small filter on the AR system using Developer Studio, and I associated form sys smart ID action and I put execution order 500. In the running qualification, I put action name equal to action one, that's the action keyword that we use. And in the run process, I use the command line utility ctemp ftp upload.bat. So what that ftp upload.bat, basically it will copy the file arrr.log from db directory and put that into the temp directory, and then it can actually execute the script and upload the file to the FTP server. Let us see. So user Alan receive a ticket that server got crashed, please upload logs. So Alan comes here and then there is action available for him to consume, upload server logs. Once he clicks on that, the action is successful. And as you can see on the screen, the files got uploaded to the FTP server that we defined. The second action is client-side URL actions. So basically, if you see, I go to the configuration, add remove action. I define a client-side URL action. It can be launched from mobile and desktop. And within URL section, I give the parameterized URL, and it should open in a new browser window. Let's see how it works. On my screen, you can see that Mary request an incident with summary order Google Pixel. The service desk agent doesn't know what Google Pixel is, so he has some available action for him. Search on Google. You can see that's a phone from the Google. On my screen, on the configuration section, asset view section, I click on the add remove action, and you can see I chose the action type as the asset action, and I selected this can be executed from mobile as well as universal client. I selected the asset type as a computer system, and then what the user should be able to do once he sees the asset, he can create asset relationship, he can create a people relationship, and he can update the asset. What all fields that he can update: company, site, status, room, and floor. So user Mary sees this asset Dell Latitude 6230, and she has to update some parameters here. So she goes to more, update asset, and it brings up that update asset record. So status, enter, next step. And then if you would like to laser state, select dependency as parent, next step, relationship, Alan, Albrook, used by, supported by. This is how you can configure the various types of action within Smart IT. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.